Today's fight will be a first for both Anaru and Brendon on Te Papahororako. Attack and defense skills must be highly tuned.
Me tino horo te tangata ne, karo, taiga pāoa. Prakati au aku karo taua, whakarite i tōku tinana. Kia rite mai te hene ngaro hoki. Tēnā koe mala. Wēno, kia kā tāo ki te hāpai i ngā mana, o ngā iwi o te taitogere. Arera, hara mai.
This will be my first fight. To be fighting against Anaru is an honour for myself. He's whanaunga. I'm not going to hold back. It'll be a good fight. Kia ora Anaru, e whanaunga. Kia kaha e hoa. It's an honour to be fighting up against you. I'll give you the respect. I hope you give me the respect back in today's battle. And may the best TOA win.
Moie, te tupo moie, te tawhito moie, te kahui o ngā hariki moie, tā whiwhia tu kia tū mā tauenga. Tēnā kōrua, tomo mai.
Kāre kore ka tino pakanga Brendon.
Yeah, obviously they both got similar skills and yeah, that'll be a good fight.
Get in first. Yep. That's it. No special combinations or anything.
They're real, you know, push over kind of fighters.
He pakanga nui rā tērā e hoa.
Round one, and the fight is underway. And Anaru opens the scores. Anaru is the more experienced fighter. This is a first-time experience for Brendon. Both TOA continue with their attacks. Anaru continues to score points. And Brendon gets scores also. They continue to throw everything at each other. Great strength shown by Brendon, putting Anaru off balance. Confidence looks to be growing. Anaru responds with a charge on Brendon. A great counter-attack from Brendon before throwing himself again at Anaru. A quick attack to the head from Anaru brings us to the end of round one. Moie, tā whiwhia atu kia tū.
Both of them got the skills to bang each other around, Barry.
Anaru be coming back. Falls are beating me. Yeah, nah, they'll both go hard on it.
Koa he pauwaru a Anaru, ka mate a Ururoa, a Brendon mena ki te mate.
Round two is underway and the stalking continues. Anaru opens the scores to the round with a vicious attack on Brendon. Followed with another, but Brendon showing great courage also. The fight is brought back to the centre. Another great clash from both TOA, but no points are awarded. Brendon gets in close and scores. A ferocious attack from Brendon, but Anaru scores with the counter-attack. Great speed shown by both TOA. A final jab from Brendon brings us to the end of round two.
Oh, they both got similar skills. So, power.
Everybody's the same, bro, once you step in their ring. No real differences.
Had a quick spar with Brendon. I'm not saying that I'm Yoda or anything, but man, he definitely knows what he's bringing to this bout here. He isn't going to be walked over, and he's not going to let it slip away either.
Round 3, and Brendon opens with an attack and scores. A strong counter-attack from Brendon. Brendon also mixes his attacking style. Anaru unleashes a strong attack on Brendon. An uppercut from Anaru gets past Brendon's guard. Anaru's attack strikes the head of Brendon. Anaru continues with his powerful blows. Brendon takes another blow to the head.
Half a minute. Hey, TOA.
The Warriors tire as round 3 comes to a close.
I think Anaru will be the more ferocious one.
If I had the money, I'll put it on myself.
Brendon, be quick.
Ko te tino toa whakapaukaha I aia, me te tino maorotanga, me te autaia ki roto ki tērā, ka tino hoatu ki roto, tēnā te tangata kai te puta mai.
4th and final round. Brendon is quick to score the opening point. Anaru responds and gains a point. Despite the lunging attack from Brendon, Anaru scores. A sharp shot to the head from Anaru as round 4 continues. Both TOA show great power, courage and determination. Final attempts to win this fight. Who will win and continue with the Kahui TOA? Who will remain at this level? The fight end draws near. End of round 4.
I was honoured to fight him. I always knew he was an experienced fighter, and it was an experience in itself for myself to come up against Anaru. Yeah, very tough.
Te tino hihi kia kuhunai au ngā kākahu nei Kia rawe ke au ki te rākau nei, pupuri i te rākau, karawhiua te rākau, kia tino wai au, kia tino mohe o mai au, me pehe taku tū i runga i te papa e taku tōne.
Tā tēnā koutou e te kāhui toa. Tēnā korua ngā toa whawhai mo tēnei rā. Ka tahi rā te pakanga nui ko tērā. Engari ko tāi ki te wā. Mohio nei tātou ko tētahi ka waimari. Ka kake ki taumata kē. Ko tētahi o kōrua. Ko tāi ki tōna taumata. Nō reira. Ko te toa ka puta ki tēnei o ngā taumata tātai rākau. Kai tēnei taha. Ko Anaru. Hongi, kia tau ai te roko.
Chance of a lifetime in terms of Māoritanga, te ao Māori. It's always what I wanted, it's what I got. Pretty emotional at the moment. A bit sad to go home, but I'm proud of myself.
Mi kawana ki ai, tana ka haki te wero mai au, te taiwana pāua e Māori ka paua whiu haere te rākau, ka pāua te tau te mātinga. Kei runga nua te. Amihi nui ki ako e mara, e pai tō huki ki te kāinga, kaua te aroha o tēnei whānau, ki tō whānau noho mai rā roto miti. Te tāo tō tāo moana a hoki a ngā kapaukara kia. Amihi amara.
I know what I have to work on now. Their fights just told me where my weaknesses are. I had it in the heart, I had it in the passion, and this just proved that for the rest of the tour. Kia kaha, kia kaha. Tēnā ki te katoa, Māori toa.